we get into driving, don't forget that on CarmaSpeed.com we did pull off the Unitronic catback from this car. I have it sitting right here. I'm prepping it. I'm going to clean it, throw it in a package, and one of you guys is going to get it in the mail. All you got to do to get entered into winning this exhaust is go to CarmaSpeed.com, grab anything on the website, keep up with updates for this giveaway on the CarmaSpeed Instagram account. We're looking forward to our first giveaway winner here at CarmaSpeed. CarmaSpeed.com, go secure your entries. Let's get back into driving. Hope that gave you an idea of what it is to drive a car like this. You might be interested before you buy one, or you're curious if you mod it, what is it like? That's as close as I can get to real life. Hope you guys found that valuable. CarmerSpeed.com, go lock in your entries for that Unitronic catback exhaust. We're excited to call out one of you guys on the phone and let you know that you won. So if you want a chance at that, go pick up anything on the website. That helps us make more content, touch more platforms like I mentioned. Appreciate you guys, and we'll see you in the next video.